Hello students, in this lecture we will learn about the nomenclature of refrigerants. Now, nomenclature of refrigerants means we have to first convert the particular refrigerant number into chemical formula, and then with the help of this chemical formula we will deduce the chemical name of the particular refrigerant. Okay, now generally the refrigerant number is provided in the form of R, M minus 1, N plus 1 and Q. For example, if we have been given R 12, then in this case it is just similar to R, M minus 1, N plus 1 and then Q. We have to convert this Rm minus 1 N plus 1 Q into CmHnClpFq, that is the chemical formula, where CH, Cl and F are carbon, hydrogen, chlorine and fluorine respectively. Now in this Rm minus 1, N plus 1 and Q, here we have M is equal to the number of carbon atoms, N is equal to the number of hydrogen atoms and Q is equal to the number of fluorine atoms. Okay, so first we have to convert this refrigerant number into the chemical formula, and then we will convert this chemical formula into the chemical name. Let us take an example to clearly understand the nomenclature of refrigerants. For example, we have been given a refrigerant number, let us say R13, R13. If nothing is specified in front of 13, then it will be taken as R013. Now R013, if we compare this with Rm minus 1, N plus 1 and Q, then from this we obtain M minus 1 is equal to 0 and then N plus 1 is equal to 1 and finally we have Q is equal to 3. Okay students, now from this M minus 1 is equal to 0, so we get the value of M is equal to 1. N plus 1 is equal to 1, from here we get the value of N is equal to 0 and Q value can be directly taken as from the refrigerant number, that is 3 here. So Q will be equal to 3. That is we have M is equal to 1, that is carbon is equal to 1 atom. H, with H we have N, so N is equal to 0 here, that means hydrogen atom is equal to 0. And finally we have Q is equal to 3. So what does it mean? That we have number of fluorine atom is equal to 3. Now in this chemical formula we are left with the value of P, which is still required to be find out. Now for finding out P, we have to use the equation P plus Q plus N is equal to 2M plus 1. And in this equation we have to put the values of Q, N and M, which we have just found. So putting the values of Q, N and M, we will get the value of P as equal to 1. Now putting the values of all these the numbers M, N, P and Q in the chemical formula CmHn, Clp and Fq, we get the formula as C. In place of M we have written 1, H in place of N we have written 0, P in place of P we have written 1 and in place of Q we have written this is equal to 3. So the formula becomes CCl3F3. So obtaining now the chemical name of the refrigerant from this So the chemical name will become trifluoromonochloromethane. Why we have methane? Because the carbon atom number is equal to 1. If the carbon atom number is equal to 2, then the compound will be of ethane series. Thank you, students. This is all for this lecture. We will talk about the new topic in next lecture.